Hi guys, just a very quick video as to what I've done about dash cam. Now this dash cam actually came out of I took it out of my Nissan Leaf where it was wired into the cigarette lighter, but as you guys know, if you've got an ID.3, the cigarette lighter is in the boot. So what we had to do here was get this to try and get a power supply from the OBD reader to the dash cam, because I wasn't too sure about plugging the cigarette lighter in the boot and then running the wire all the way forward. So this camera has got the front and the rear camera, but so far all I've fitted is just the front one, which is there. I know it looks wonky, but that's probably more to do with the plastic surround of the cameras, not straight, but the actual view from the camera is straight. So I tried to look at, oh, you can see got a crack in the windscreen, I think, if that will zoom in on that. Very nice. But because of the black shading, you try and fit the camera in these bits, and obviously you don't get the visibility through the camera because you've got this shading on there. And I didn't want to fit the camera anywhere along here, because obviously you want it as discreet as possible, basically. So the camera has been fitted there, which is not so bad. I don't actually like the ones where they have the little visual screen on, and I think these are probably about the best cameras you're going to get. The most discreet, I'd imagine. I don't know, but anyway, so I've had it for a couple of years in my Nissan Leaf. Now that's gone and it's in the ID.3. So basically, the wire runs up behind here, up along here, and then it's quite easy to do. You know, I've just basically done it really quick. The only grumble I have got is I've sort of put it in and sort of left it, as you can see here, this bit of trim. I haven't fixed it in there properly yet, but just run it down the door rubbers. I just did a quick job, and it comes down there and then down by the dash. Let me jump out and show you where it runs to. Right. So it comes down there in the rubbers, as you see there. It comes down, well, you can't see it, but there it is. That's where it comes out, and it runs up behind the dash. Right. I haven't done this properly yet, it's just basically a quick job. And then the excess wire is up behind the dash. You can see it hanging there. I've not finished it yet, but then it goes along there. It comes along the back into the OBD reader, which is there. So I mean, you can obviously use this in other cars, but you have to make sure that this wire here is not impeded by anything where you're fixing it to. Ideally, it'd be nice if it came out of here somewhere, but it actually works. So far, so good. It's just been in a few days for now. Obviously, I need to finish it off properly. Get these wires sort of finished off nicely, but it's just a quick video. So if anybody else has got an ID.3 or any other car basically, and you're running a Blackview dash cam, that might be the answer for you, rather than running it off a cigarette lighter or hardwiring it. It's quick and easy, it's plug and play. Okay, thanks a lot guys.